Mega shout out, welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and once again we will do another unboxing story, guys. So while I am on break, so I went outside and the nearby mall just to have my dinner now, and then I saw this one and I was kinda like amazed for the design. So I bought this one again. Ayan, Converse tayo ngayon, guys. So after I had a dinner, when I went around and I saw the shop at dito, nakita ko na meron silang sale. So I will do another unboxing, guys, for you. Sale siya, guys. Sale. So, ayan. And I love the design, guys. Nowadays is parang na-enjoy ko siya na mag-shopping. Makikita ako ng Converse kasi maganda yung platform. And I will show you this one, guys. So, tara. The design. Yes, Converse. I love the design. This one. See the platform, guys. The platform. It's so like 2 inches. 2 inches, guys. The platform, the design, and the color, and it fits my legs. Okay. So again, this is the design Converse. I love it. See, this is the design of the Converse I got, and I love it. This one, guys. Full star. And I have another one. So this I bought 2. So I love the combination. The next one is I got here. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one that attracts me also. I love the platform, and look at the back. Oh my god. The zipper, the details. This one is the details. There's a zipper there to lock this one. And this one is the design. Okay. May pa-melon shake sila, guys. See? There's the details inside. See the platform? Very nice. And this one also. And here. So I get the 2 for this one. It's kinda like, I don't want to brag anyway, guys. Hindi talaga ako nag-brag, but I just want to show my collection. You see, look at this one. This is all what I've got. I love it. super love this one, guys, really. See all the details, the back. The details is very fantastic. Very fantastic in this one. So, I love this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love, 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 spread love and positivity. Thank you. God bless everyone. Thanks for watching. Share, like my video. Thank you. God bless.